She was 85 years old, sharp, sweet, and disciplined. She took her supplements, ate clean, stayed active, yet her heart would suddenly race, blood pressure spiking for no reason. No physical danger, just her mind replaying worries. Her doctors called it anxiety, but I knew it was deeper. Her body was stuck in fight or flight. This client came to me because she was tired of living in fear, not fear of something specific, but fear itself. Even the smallest thought of something going wrong could trigger her anxiety. Her heart would pound, her chest would tighten, her blood pressure would climb, as if she were running from danger. But there was no lion, no emergency, just her body reacting to imagined threats. She was already on supplements for blood pressure, magnesium for relaxation, adaptogens to support her adrenals, even herbs for circulation. Yet nothing fully worked. What was the revelation? What I discovered is something I see in many people, not just the elderly. The stress response itself had become the problem. Her brain kept sending emergency signals to her adrenal glands, flooding her system with cortisol and adrenaline. These stress hormones were keeping her blood vessels tight, her heart racing, and her body in constant alert mode. And here's the key. No matter how perfect your nutrition is, or how many supplements you take, if the fight or flight switch stays on, your body cannot enter healing mode. So here are the 3 layers of the stress response. There are 3 layers we must address to truly calm the body. Number 1, the psychological layer, the mind's perception of danger. Sometimes reassurance alone, don't worry, everything will be fine, doesn't work because the subconscious doesn't believe it. In these cases, gentle therapies like breathwork, grounding, or emotional release techniques help reset that belief system. Number 2, the biochemical layer, the nutrients that support the stress organs. B vitamins, especially B5 and B6, feed the adrenal glands. Vitamin C neutralizes excess cortisol. Magnesium, potassium, and calcium calm nerve transmission. Adaptogens like ashwagandha, rhodiola, and licorice root support resilience. Number 3, the cellular layer, restoring energy and blood flow. Even when stress is emotional, the cells still need oxygen, glucose, and ATP, adenosine triphosphate, the fuel of the cells. So we ensure the mitochondria, your energy factories, are functioning properly. When they are, the heart, brain, and adrenals can all communicate again calmly. Here's the solution and how her life changed. For my client, we combined gentle breathing and reassurance techniques with targeted nutritional support. As her cells regained energy and her adrenals were nourished, her heart stopped racing. Her mind quietened. She told me, for the first time in years, I feel peace again inside my body. Anxiety isn't just in your head. It's a biochemical and cellular imbalance triggered by the mind, but maintained by the body. If you've been struggling with stress, high blood pressure, or anxiety, even after taking supplements, it may be time to look deeper into your body's stress wiring. Book your free 30-minute consultation. Let's calm the mind, support the heart, and rebuild your energy from within. The link is in the bio or in the description.